Adela Negru from NTT DATA Romania. I'm Chief HR Officer. I think it's about people in the end, and people experience it means to understand what's happening today on the labor market. Why are people leaving the companies? What makes them stay? So I think a people experience framework, or how you call it, talent experience framework, it's important first to identify the needs of the people. In our company, we already started this by using design thinking, and we go to the roots and see what do people need today. And we try to forget everything we learned in the past about people management and also about leadership. It's a new era. The war for talent started, of course, with the pandemic. We had 3 months where the world stood still, nothing happened. And after that, nobody knew which way should we go. Some companies did some cost cutting. Some companies had projects that were postponed or freezed or canceled. There were also dismissals. A lot of things happened that influenced the way people thought about their employer. So in 2021, when the pandemic was no more such a threat, the projects that were postponed started again. People worked from home, so it was actually an emancipation of the people being able to do things that in the past were forbidden by the labor law. They could move back to their hometowns or home countries and work for companies outside, being paid better than in the past. To design an experience that people love, I think you have to do 2 essential things: understand the needs and build on them. And then you can have a prototype that could measure the expectation of your people. Today, my satisfaction is different from my colleagues. Things that matters to me today, maybe for somebody else, are not important. So I may be repeating myself, but I still think if you want to measure the satisfaction, we have to be very adaptive. Adaptive means it doesn't matter what kind of instruments you use. For sure, you can use surveys or you can use interviews and so on. But it's important to do it much regular or recurrent, because what is important for me today in a month couldn't be anymore. So I think what's important in understanding the satisfaction is to be hands-on the needs of people, the wishes of people each day, to understand and to adapt your tools, your questions, the way you measure it every day. I started this talent experience framework with the wish to bring more added value in our company. Of course, it's very easy to offer somebody huge benefits like a great salary or flexibility to work from home and so on. The benefits and the way I understand it, and also why it is so important for me in implementing it, is about, for me it's important, even if somebody will leave the company because he can't say no to a very wonderful salary, he will say, it was such a great experience in NTT DATA Romania. I actually miss it. I'm sorry I needed the money, but it was a wonderful experience and I really recommend you to go there. So the benefits, exactly as I said, people should feel welcome, should feel appreciated, and then they should be more integrated and part of the company.